Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, security system, fog lights, power windows. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.